was very weak. So on Sunday itself, we had called one veterinary doctor, APO from Trishur. So he was of the opinion that it may not be difficult, it may be not be possible to revive back, but we'll see what kind of options are available. So we have given information to our senior officers also about the incident. Then we were told to see, wait and watch and see how the how the animal behaves and all. So then we came to today. So what we had planned was if we can drive the animal out using kumkis, we'll bring him to a safe spot and we'll get him examined and all. Anyways, we have very little hope of reviving actually the animal because it has not been eating for so many days now. So yeah, all you saw it before we could take the animal out. The animal had collapsed.